Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick comparison, we are going to be comparing RedotPay and Kast in order to help you decide which crypto card is better option in 2026. Now, if you choose RedotPay after watching this comparison, you will find its link in the description. If you use that link in order to sign up, you are going to get $5 absolutely for free as a welcome bonus. So here, first of all, let's understand the card's features. So the RedotPay and Kast both are going to offer you the Visa virtual and the physical cards. Both support the Google Pay and the Apple Pay where available, and both are going to let you spend your cryptocurrency at millions of merchants worldwide. If we talk about Kast specifically, so its biggest advantage here is its cashback and the rewards program that makes it a good choice if you spend frequently. RedotPay doesn't focus on the cashback, but it offers a simple crypto spending experience with a well-established payment ecosystem. If we talk about the fees and the usages, so both the cards have no monthly fee, but their fee structure differs for the foreign currency spending and the card issuance. If rewards matter most to you, Kast has an edge here, while the RedotPay is often preferred for the straightforward everyday crypto payments. Now the real question comes, which one should you choose? So you can go with Kast if your priority is earning cashbacks on the regular purchases. But if you want an easy to use crypto card with broader payment features and a more mature platform, then RedotPay is better fit here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.